Okay, I'm back again. This time responding to a question I got about solar camping. The user mentioned he had a couple of different devices. He has his cell phone, his laptop, a signal booster, and an external battery that he wants to run all off of solar when he's going hiking or camping. Showed me a couple of different panels. The 10 watt panel, or not the 10 watt, but the 10 6-volt cells running in a series parallel configuration is something that will be more cost effective but not as durable. I mean, even if you were to build an enclosure yourself to fit that in your messenger bag, I'm guessing, just one hit or one fall on those cells would cause it to break one or multiple cells, so it wouldn't be as durable. I would definitely go with the second setup, which is that 15 watt foldable polycrystalline panel. Definitely a great deal on the price. It's under $100, which is good for 15 watts. Even the cheapest fixed, standalone panels will cost you about 60 or 70 bucks. So you're definitely getting a good deal with that 15 watt foldable polycrystalline panel. As far as your external battery, you mentioned the 2 amp requirement for it to initiate a charge. It might still be able to initiate a charge at a lower current since the voltage is going to be the same. Say if you were to use a 1 amp USB adapter versus the 2 amp requirement, I'm pretty sure it'll still trickle charge. One way to test that out is to hook it up to your computer. Most laptops have a 1 amp USB 2.0 port, and you can definitely check it out that way. If it initiates a charge, it most likely will work with your solar setup if you have a 1 amp 12 volt to 5 volt at 1 amp USB adapter. So hopefully it will work that way. And then with this type of setup, you can also expand it. You can add another solar panel. Doesn't matter if it's a fixed or a flexible solar panel. Just as long as it's the same voltage, you can expand that way. You can also do a 12 volt setup later on via one of these jump starters. That's just my suggestion. Since it has everything built into it, it has a power inverter, a 12 volt socket, has a jump starter for your car, has pretty much everything you would need besides a charge controller, which is only $20. So, just for your camping setup right now, you mentioned very basic stuff: cell phone, USB battery, USB dongle, 12 volt to USB, the charger for your USB charger, your laptop, which I'm guessing you'll just keep running on its battery. You're not going to worry about the solar right now. But once the battery dies, you'll be relying on your cell phone. Pretty much the only thing you're going to need besides that is proper wiring to wire everything up, or at least wire the USB adapter to the solar panel. And I noticed your 15 watt panel requires a barrel plug, so if you can't find the right adapter for that, or if it doesn't come with the right adapter, you can go ahead and chop that off and hook up maybe something like an SAE 2 adapter, which this is. You can get that off of eBay for, I think, $2 per end. Gives you maybe about this same length of wire, and you can get various different ends for it, and it costs about $2. Or you can just hook up some bare wires to the panel and hook up a 12 volt cigarette lighter adapter that you can get from AutoZone for about $6 or $7. So I hope that helped you. Again, my suggestion is to go with the 15 watt panel. That's definitely a great deal. And if you need any more help, just send me a line and I'll hurry up and answer it. So hope you enjoyed this video, as well as anyone else who was wondering about a solar camping setup. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.